Brand new, guys, brand new 2022 Ram TRX. This guy came in and he's like, listen, you Raptors, on your V6, bitch. Let's check it out. Came through and we did a muffler delete on this thing. Ugh. Stock mufflers right there on the floor. Little guys, little guys. The owner has a Hellcat and one of these TRXs. Yo, this guy's going deep. Thing sounds so dope. This is where we did the work. 3-inch pipe, guys. Very simple job. We have the stock tips on the back. It's raining outside, as you can see. So we can't really go out there with the camera and everything, but we're gonna try to get you guys some good revs. That's it, yo. This thing is crispy. Brand new. Love this thing. All right, we're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear it. Let me know what you think in the comments.